A slideshow for 5th grade students. Using critical thinking when writing an opinion essay. Think about this quote. The shepherd always tries to persuade the sheep that their interests and his own are the same. This was written by Stendhal, a French writer. What do you think about that? Critical thinking and communicating your opinion. Here are some steps to help you think critically through the process of communicating your opinion. Review your opinion. Analyze and organize what you are going to say. Synthesize what's important and what isn't. Evaluate your essay. Let's go a little deeper on what each one of those points means. To review means to examine what you will write about. You might ask yourself this question: did I choose a topic that is meaningful for and important to me? To analyze means to look closely at the details. So after you've reviewed your question or your opinion statement, you might analyze by thinking about some other questions. Did I choose the opinion that is popular, but I don't really know the reasons why people go along with this opinion? To synthesize means to combine the ideas you want to use in your essay. Some questions you might ask yourself are: what information is significant and meaningful to use in my essay? What are the consequences of stating my opinion in this way? Which ideas fit and which ones don't? How can I address the other person's point of view? Finally, evaluate your essay. Is it worthwhile? And did you express your opinion intelligently?
Recent polls have shown a fifth of Americans can't locate the U.S. on a world map. Why do you think this is?
I personally believe that U.S. Americans are unable to do so because some people out there in our nation don't have maps, and I believe that our education, like such as in South Africa and the Iraq, everywhere like such as, and I believe that they should, our education over here in the U.S. should help the U.S. or should help South Africa and should help the Iraq and the Asian countries, so we will be able to build up our future for our.
Thank you very much, South Carolina.
Do you think Miss South Carolina communicated her ideas intelligently? What does this mean? Let's restate what we just learned. Review. Think about what is meaningful to you, not the popular choice. Analyze. Give details and elaborate on why you feel the way you do. Synthesize. What information should you use when writing your reasons for feeling the way you do? Evaluate. Think about what you wrote and also think about the other person's point of view. Try to understand why they feel the way they do. There are 5 key components to critical thinking when expressing your opinion. Number 1, be clear. State what you mean. Do not confuse people so that they do not understand your point. Number 2, be accurate and precise. When you explain your thinking and give your reasons, do not say anything that is untrue or too vague. For example, you might try saying, I believe dogs make better pets than cats because research says dogs have more energy than cats. Here are some reasons why that's a good point. That's an accurate statement with details following. A non-example might be this: I believe dogs make better pets than cats because they are way better. That's a pretty vague statement. Be relevant and focused. Stay on track. Your words should relate directly to your position. Number 4, be logical. Explain why you feel the way you do. Do not simply state the way you feel without strong supporting reasons. Number 5, be fair. Consider how others are going to feel and choose your words wisely. Keep in mind their point of view and think whether you are being fair or selfish. A final note: your opinion is a reflection of what and how you think. Do not just accept anything you are told, but rather think critically and decide to be clear, accurate, relevant, logical, and fair. Practice listening and speaking using the 5 key components to be a great critical thinker.